Okay, to protect the environment. Okay, very good. So we save energy to protect the environment. Very good. Okay, you're going to say stop. Okay. Okay, ready? Huh? Did you say stop? No, the girl. The girl will say stop. Yeah, you will say stop. One. We save energy. Correct. Okay, that's right. We save energy to save money. Okay, we save energy to save money. Okay. So if you save energy at home, so your electric bills for the fan, aircon, the lights will lower down, so you can save money. All right. Next. Because to make very good. We save energy to make an eco-friendly environment. We save energy to make an eco-friendly environment. Okay, let's have the last one. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, you tell me when to stop. Okay. Again. No, number 4. Again. Easy to use. Easy to use. You mean we save energy so that we can use it next time? Yes? That's you mean we save energy so that we can use it next time? Yes or no? Yes? Yes? Okay. So she said we save energy to make it available next in the future. Okay? Available. Okay? Okay, we save energy to make it available in the future. Or you say you can use it soon. Okay, for example, today you are saving energy, and then in the future it's ready to use or available for your maybe children soon. Okay, so you will save energy to make it available in the future. Okay, that's why we save energy. Now let's have number 2.